Okay, here is how it goes. This is the first one I cut with a 0.25mm step over. 4 steps per millimeter. At first it looked like a mess, so I wire brushed it to clean it a bit, and then it still looked like a mess. So I made another one, this time with a 0.2mm step over. Wire brushed it, a mess. By the way, the bit I'm using here has a 0.2mm tip on it. So I said, what the heck, I will overkill it. And I made this one, 0.1mm step over. 10 steps per millimeter. And still it doesn't look much like it. Truth is that I was a bit skeptical about the material that this pipe is made of, from the beginning of this. Which I'm not sure what it is, but it is definitely some funny form of plastic. So I searched a bit around, found me some PVC pipe, and boom. This is with a 0.25mm step over. So this one has the exact same settings as this one. But the outcome has a difference for sure. PVC is a harder material, I suppose, so you can make some clean cuts on it, while this one flexes a bit here and there, and you get this mess. Also, with this being softer, you cannot break them tiny hairs of plastic with a brush. Now, this is a bit narrow, I know, so I ran to the hardware store nearby to get me some thicker stuff, but they only had grey colored, and would rather have white hair. So we go with this little fella. After all, this is mostly an experiment.